Hey there! Are you concerned about your data stored with 23andMe? With the recent news of 23andMe filing for bankruptcy in March 2025, many users are now wondering how to securely delete their data. Let me walk you through the steps to erase your information. First, log into your 23andMe account and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find 23andMe data and click on View. You'll need to verify your identity by entering your birth date. Here, you'll have an option to download your data before deletion if you want to keep a copy for yourself. Once you're ready, click Permanently Delete Data. But wait, you're not done yet. 23andMe will send you an email with a link to confirm the deletion. Make sure to click that link within 24 hours to complete the process. Now, a quick heads up. Even after deletion, 23andMe and their lab may retain some personal and genetic information to meet legal obligations. Unfortunately, data used in completed research projects cannot be removed. In light of these concerns, it's smart to use identity protection services like LifeLock or Allstate Identity Protection. Also, make sure to use unique passwords for each of your accounts, managed with a tool like LastPass. And remember, always be mindful of what you share online. Stay safe and take control of your data. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.